In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do fun and visually appearing Elmo sponge cake. Firstly, preparing the drawings. Draw the Elmo on the paper using the marker pens to outline the Elmo shapes. Place your drawings behind the baking paper using the tab to stick on baking tray. Now we move on to the cartoon cake drawings. 15 grams of butter and 15 grams icing sugar. Mix most of them into the bowl. Mix thoroughly. These ingredients are 1:1 ratio. I'm doubling up the ingredients to do 2 sponge cake. Mix in 15 grams egg white. Mix and incorporate well. Put the 15 grams cake flour into the mixture. And again, mix thoroughly. You may notice the mixture to this consistency. Until this consistency and divide the batters into the different bowl. Put the red food coloring and some black coloring. Wipe the outline first, red color for the body, and put the finished drawing into the fridge. Now prepare the cake mixture. Mix all the wet ingredients into the bowl and add on the 80 grams of cake flour. Mix together. Separate cake mixture. Beat the 3 egg whites. When egg whites becomes foamy, in a quarter teaspoon cream of tartar and 40 grams of sugar. Meringue stiff peak. Mix gradually into the mixture or the batter into the drawings. Flatten it with a spatula. Into the oven at 160 Celsius for 25 minutes. Bake upside down the cake and peel off the baking paper slowly. Ta-da! Look at that! Elmo is on the cake! Extremely excited to see my drawings are transferred into my cake. Now we're preparing the whipped cream. 200 grams fresh cream and 10 grams of custard sugar. Whip it until fluffy and spread across evenly onto the cake. Spread it evenly using the spatula. You can include some of the fresh fruits onto the whipped cream. Stack it to the layer cake. And here you go, there is our Elmo sponge cake. Look at this, how adorable are they? I'm sure that you impress all your guests with all these cool drawings. You can see how happy is my son holding this sponge cake with the Elmo. Your favorite?
I like Elmo.
Recap the sponge cake recipes. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.